Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss with another exclusive video. So today guys, we're in Junction. This is the starting of the Junction Road Improvement Project. They have been working on this project for a good while now. So this is an update. So we see a tractor right there doing some excavation. Soil is running down, so the vehicles have to wait. So they're expanding the road and also digging off the hillside to create more road. But as we can see, there's rubble running down. So we're here guys, St. Mary Junction. This is the Junction Road Improvement Project. Work is still going on. If you're new to the channel guys, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is free. And if you want to donate to the channel as well, we have PayPal in the channel description and other banking information as well. Definitely like the video, share your comments on this project, the length of time it has taken, the progress of the work and everything. So this is the start of the project where they're still digging off the hillside. So a lot of heavy duty equipment is up top working. Leave a comment guys and let's take a closer look. Alright guys, so vehicles are waiting in line to pass because of what's happening right here. They're doing some excavation, but the soil is running down. Alright, we now have a tractor clearing it, so once it runs down then there's a tractor there to clear it. Alright, so this is the starting of the project, heading into St. Mary, coming from St. Andrew side. So we're heading further into St. Mary. So that tractor is doing excavation, and you know, once the rubble runs down, soil and rock, then another tractor is on the road to clear it so that vehicles can pass, and then they continue as well. So if you're traveling this side, prepare for delays. I know right now you know, it's a bit inconveniencing with all the work happening. But I'm sure when all this is finished, then it will be smooth sailing through the junction, for sure. Alright, so this is from the other end. So this is gonna be a 4-way. So the widening portion has been completed here. That was the corner that was blocked just now. That's where they're doing some work right now. So most of the work right here is finished. Apologies for the wind noise, guys. Alright, so this is another section of the roadway. This widening portion would have been completed, and you know, containment wall is also there for the soil, for soil erosion, for landslides. And again, this is wide enough for 4 lanes when they're finished. Alright, still some heavy duty equipment in this area, so you know, work is still happening. Widening is still happening. Alright, so you have parts of the roadway that's already gotten the first layer of asphalt, as you can see right here. And along the roadway, I guess they'll be putting in, you know, walls to contain the soil, contain any landslide, soil erosion. Again, apologies for the heavy wind noise, guys. Another section of the road. You have some areas that have gotten the first layer of asphalt. Alright, so another section of the roadway here. Some areas have gotten the final layer of asphalt, some no. Alright, so for example, like this area, there's not a lot of hills, so it's easier to widen. So this area is basically finished. They seem to be 2 lanes. So not a lot of hill to excavate and stuff. This is more of a flat area right here. We have a lot of farms in the area as well. Coconut trees, bananas. Alright, so we have a coconut farm over this side. Not sure if you guys can see clearly. Another coconut farm over this side as well. Then down here we have the St. Mary's farm. So this is a banana farm. So the day is a bit overcast, guys, so the video is a little bit darker than usual. Okay, it's an overcast day. Alright guys, so if you've made it this far in the video, definitely subscribe if you haven't done it so as yet. Definitely like the video, leave your comments as well in terms of the Junction Road Improvement Project. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the progress of the work as well. And like and share the video so that more persons can see what's happening in beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. And again, if you choose to donate to the channel, you know, which goes towards, you know, better equipment and stuff like that, and eventually getting a drone. All that info is in the description. We have PayPal option and other banking information as well. So thanks for watching thus far, guys, and thanks for being a part of the channel. Alright, this was also the original road. Alright, so this road would have, led to the Robert Schoolman roundabout, but they close off this road here, so persons have to use the minor road you see here on the right. I guess this road is a part of the bigger project. So it leads to the roundabout out by the Texaco. Not sure if you can see that Texaco right there. So now vehicles are forced to use that minor road right there. So I guess when the project is fully completed, they'll open back this road so that everything flows smoothly.